a beautiful bushy lush green shrub. These are pandanus plants. Pandanus plants also ideal for a corner in your garden. They grow bushy and also thicker, so this is also ideal for a corner in your garden. These plants are variegated leaves and also very colorful and decorative. Friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be covering up about the plants that you can keep in a corner in your garden. Cast iron plants stand tall and it's ideal for a corner in your home garden. Either you keep it outdoors or indoors. This is ideal for a corner. First is the cast iron plant. It's tall and it's beautiful and also it's green. So my suggestion, this goes well in a corner. So keep it in a corner to get the elegant and beautiful look. This is a philodendron plant. This plant also ideal for a corner in your home garden. Either you keep it indoors, this will grow very beautifully in a corner in your home, or else in outdoors, keep it in a corner in your garden, especially in a shade. This is beautiful looking because the leaves also very elegant looking. See how beautiful this philodendron plant is. Erica palm plant also ideal for a corner, even if you keep it indoors as an indoor plant or outdoors as an outdoor plant. This plant stands tall and looks elegant, so you can keep it in a corner of your garden. This variety of philodendron also ideal for a corner in your home or else in your garden. They also grow tall and they need some support as well. So these big leaves and colorful yellow color, gold color leaves are very elegant and attractive. So try putting some of these plants in a corner in your garden, especially in the shade. So this is an ideal plant for a corner. ZZ plant, another house plant and also a very low maintenance plant, ideal for a corner in your garden. This plant you can grow in medium size to large size pots and also will fit into a corner in your garden, either in your home. So once you keep them in the shade, they will grow really very beautifully. This plant also doesn't need much watering. You can water them taking intervals and check the soil and water. ZZ plant also is a great suggestion for a corner in your garden. Dracaena varieties. Dracaena varieties also are ideal for corner plants because these plants also grow very tall and their leaves also very huge. So they grow huge and looks very elegant with any color. So this color also very attractive and elegant. Try putting them in a corner in your garden, especially in the shady area. When you're arranging your garden, put tall plants and colorful leafy plants, especially those with huge appearance, will suit to your corners of the garden. If you have varieties of alocasia with large leaves, you can put them in a corner in your garden. If the corner of your garden getting partial to medium sunlight, then this plant is best for you. So try putting alocasia plants also in a corner in your garden. I have these couple of varieties with me growing. Now see, this one is growing under the huge alocasia plant and also another variety here. It looks like the elephant ear plant, and this is the other alocasia I have. These huge bird nest plants are ideal for a corner in your garden and provide shade for this plant, and you will see the huge growth. This is beautiful elegant bird nest plant. So this is another suggestion for your corner of your garden. Swiss cheese plants also having large huge leaves, and they also grow very beautifully when you put them in a corner in your garden, especially with the support of a moss stick. So this is another plant suggestion for a corner in your garden. Try putting aloe vera plants in huge pots and keep them in a corner in your garden. You will see the amazing growth. Provide them shade or in the medium to partial sunlight. These plants grow very huge. Bamboo plants are also best when you keep them in a corner. Especially these plants grow from stems and also they grow tall. So these plants are ideal for a corner in your garden, even in your home. For a corner of your home, it will stand very beautifully. So try putting some bamboo plants, lucky bamboo plants, in a corner in your garden or in your home. Even shrubs are beautiful when you grow them in bigger size ample pots. Now see these beautiful pedicellus. There are about 10 stems, more than that I think. So when you grow them together it makes a shrub. So these plants also ideal for a corner in your garden, and with their variegation they look so elegant and beautiful. So try putting some pedicellus plants, put a bunch of stems in a bigger pot and you will see how beautiful they grow. Another beautiful plant for your corner is this beautiful Christina plant. Christina plant also grows tall and they are also so green and lush. So you can keep this plant also is suggested for a corner in your garden. Umbrella plants also grow very tall and also green and variegated. These plants also loves the shade. When you put it in a corner in your garden, see that you put it in a place where you get the partial to medium sunlight. This plant get the partial to medium sunlight. So this is also another suggestion. They grow tall and also beautiful. Rubber plants are also ideal for a corner in your garden. These plants also very low maintenance and permanent, but they love the shade. So when you keep them in your garden in a corner, see that they get the partial to medium sunlight. So today I showed you about some of the suggestions for your garden about corner plants. So have them in your garden as plants for corners, and I hope you find it very useful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big like, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Tamara's Garden. And I hope you are aware about the memberships as well. You can join my channel now as a member. So that is something I have to tell you too. So thank you and thanks for watching.